First, let's install the holder. Secondly, let's install the handle. Now, let's fill the water. Until the water comes out from this hole. That means the water tank is full. Then you press here to pull out the funnel. So press here. If you don't press it, you can't pull it out. Press here to enter the hair removal system. Now let's choose for arm. The power to 15. Here is for freezing. If you press here, then the cooling will stop. You press here. You can see the degree of the cooling. Frequency, choose to 3. Okay. 6. Okay. Now let's set the skin rejuvenation system. Now let's do the aim therapy setting. Here is the pulse. Pulse set it to 250. And here is the number of pulse. Set it to 3. Here is the time of the pulse. Set it to 1 to 2. Okay. And here is the pulse width. The first one is 6.8. The second one is 6.3, and the third one is 5. IPR energy starts from 15, RF 2 to 3. Okay, let's start.